Alright, so just a little quick tip. So when you're doing the reverse camera, you just pop a little hole through this plastic piece right here if you don't have one. Pull off the weather strip, and then you'll have to unconnect the bumper along this line. And all you need is a flathead screwdriver, and you'll just pop in the little tabs under there. I think it's like 4, maybe 5 of them, but you push down on the tabs, you pop it loose. You only have to pull the bumper back maybe like 2 or 3 inches or so in that midsection, and then you can slide the wires up through that little section and out by the tail lights, and then you should be good to go. And then you can just snap the bumper back in place, and you have to wire into the harness to get the reverse wire. And I'm thinking about drilling a hole here, but I changed my mind because it's already a hole in there. So what you do is you poke a hole through the rubber grommet that the factory tail light wires go through, and then you can just pull the camera wires through and throw it under the carpet and under the door seals to the front. And this is once I got everything hooked up. Tried to put it in reverse before the radio came all the way on. Didn't work out. So really you have to have the radio needs to be on, car crunk up all the way and everything first, and then your camera comes on and shows a pretty good picture. But that's pretty much it. Everything else is pretty straightforward, just tucking wires. So yeah, what's that quick tip?